It's Tanya Atomic, and today I got my glasses on. It's casual. I'm a little bit late with some of my unboxings. It is the last day of the month. Just due to health issues, nothing to be concerned about. I just don't have the energy to work, do all the other things that I've been trying to do, and do this too. But I want to make sure I got these out for you. So, I'm going to be unboxing the HorrorPack box for November. I'm just going to go straight into it. And HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. You get 4 DVDs or Blu-rays. I have the Blu-ray subscription. And it comes in this package like this. I got 4 of them here. What are they? Let's see. Oh, the first one is Dead Ant, which I actually saw and thought it was pretty cute, pretty funny. It's got Jake Busey, Sean Astin, Tom Arnold, bunch of people. Yeah, it was a fun one. It's a real cute one. It says band goes out in the desert and there's giant ants that attack them, but it's a comedy and it's silly. I thought it was cute. It's a fun one there. Then Flatliners, the new one. I remember seeing Flatliners, the original, in the theater and kind of being freaked out a little bit by the whole idea of it. Anyway, this is a remake, current remake here, starring Ellen Page. I'll check it out. Oh, Diego Luna. I love Diego Luna. So, yeah, I'll check it out. Bloodline. Terror has awakened is the tagline. I don't know anything about this one. I haven't seen it. Don't know what it is. I think this is the HorrorPack exclusive. Yeah, limited edition Blu-ray. They have been coming with one limited edition indie film, so that's really cool. This one it says there's a seminary student who falls away from the church. And he finds out his bloodline is sought by real evil. He's on a trip with friends at a cabin. He discovers the true nature of his heritage. So that's what this is, Bloodline. Then we have The Conjuring, which I think I've seen. Oh, I have seen this one. It's Vera Farmiga and Patrick Wilson. And I have seen this. It's got this lenticular cover, which is fun. So that's it for HorrorPack. Tell me, do you love HorrorPack? Do you have it? Do you want it? All that good stuff. What do you think of these movies? Do you want me to do any reviews of any of these movies? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.